Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Beachy Beach. Today, we're a little bit beyond. We are in Fort Walton Beach, but as you can see, it's the same beautiful emerald waters of these world's most beautiful beaches and the white sand. We have a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, unique property that's right here. Right here, you can access all of this. So don't go away. Welcome to this beautiful house that we have here in Fort Walton Beach. You've got this new updated open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, and it's found on the bottom level. You've got the dining room down here. You've got some seating area for the guests to enjoy, and you can all hover around. And then in a little bit, we'll check out the outside and you can expand your entertaining out there. For now, let's keep checking this place out. So this property is so unique. It's got 4 bedrooms. 2 of them are right here. And basically you have quintessential lockout. You could use this as a separate apartment. You've got a full kitchen, a living space, and your 2 bedrooms. How amazing is that? Now, let's go check out some more. Here we are in this beautiful open living space. It too is on the 2nd level. You get to see all the activity that's going on out there in this 4-bed, 3-bath, wonderful home located in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. This beautiful quintessential outside patio extends this Florida living to the outside. What's super neat about this house is you actually have a mud room. You could enter, you'll enter through the laundry, and there's a bath downstairs. You can just grab your things out of the kitchen. This is just perfect and beautiful and secluded for you to enjoy those evenings when it's not too hot. So if you'd like more information about this beautiful property, look in the description below. You've got the listing link. You can get square footage, you can get pricing, and any more details you want. Don't forget to call your favorite realtor or just let us know if we can help you have a private showing. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel, The Beach Show, ring that bell so you don't miss out on any beautiful deals like the Emerald Coast.